Hello, good morning students. How are you? I am Rajkumar. Today I will teach you Standard 5 Maths Lesson 7 Fractions Part 3 Exercise 22. First question, write the fraction for the shaded part and unshaded part. Here question number 1, given picture 3 equal square. 1, 2, 3. How many square? 3. And 2 square shaded. So here write S means shaded. 2 shaded part 1, 2 and total number of square 1, 2, 3. So 3 right. Next US unshaded part. 1 square is unshaded. 1. How many square? 1, 2, 3. See? How many shaded part? 2 part, 2 right. And number of square? 3. Down should be 3 right. So first fraction, shaded part fraction 2 by 3. And unshaded part 1 by 3. And B number, how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square. Shaded. How many shaded part? 1 square, 1. And number of square? 6. Next, US. Unshaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal to how much? 5. How many square? 5. And total number of square? 6. So fraction come 5 by 6. Next question, circle each one of the unit fractions given below. Here given some fractions, you can identify the only unit fractions. 6 by 1, 1 by 4, 3 by 6, 1 by 7 and 1 by 10, 5 by 5 and 1 by 11. First, you know unit fractions. What is unit fractions? N is only 1. So this is N. 6. 6 N equal to 6. So this is not unit fraction. Question number fraction 2. 1 by 4. N is only 1. So this is unit fraction. This is 3. N is 3. This is not unit fraction. Next fraction 1 by 7. So N is only 1. So this also unit fraction. Next 1 by 10. So here also N is 1. So 1 by 10 is unit fraction. And 5 by 5 N is 5. So this is not unit fraction. Last fraction 1 by 11. So 1 is N. So this is unit fraction. Clear? Next question number 3. Circle each pair like fraction given below. Only circle the like fraction. What is like fraction? Same denominator. What is like fraction? Same denominator. So fraction have same denominator. See, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. D is same. 5, 5. So this is what? Like fraction. Next fraction 2 by 5 and 2 by 7. So here 5 and 7. This is not equal. So this is not like fraction. Next fractions 5 by 9 and 7 by 9. So 9 is same. So this also like fraction. Next 5 by 11 and 7 by 11. This also like fraction because denominator is same. 11. Here 9. Here 5. Here not same. So this is not like fraction. Clear? Next question number 4. Circle each pair unlike fraction given below. The example given fractions 1 by 4, 1 by 7. Next question 3 by 4, 3 by 5. Unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means denominator is not same. Only see the denominator. What shape? Denominator. So 4 and 7 not equal. So this is what? Unlike. Next, 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Here 4 and 5. So see, 4 and 5 is not equal. So this is unlike fractions. And question number C, 4 by 9, 7 by 9. So 9 equal. So this is not unlike fractions. And last question, 5 by 11 and 7 by 12. See, 11 and 12 not equal, both not same. So this is what? Unlike fractions. Clear? Next question number 5. Circle each one of the proper fraction given below. What is proper fractions? Proper fraction means and less than what? And less than d. Always and less than d. So 5 more than 5. So this is what? Not proper fractions. Here 6 by 7. 6 is less than 7. So this is proper fraction. So this fraction circle 3 by 3 equal 8 by 11. 8 less than 11. So what? This is proper fractions. And 6 more than 1. So this is not proper fractions. Next question number 6. Circle each one of the improper fraction. Improper fraction means and more than just opposite and more than d. So see here 7 by 8. 7 is less than 8. 4 by 4. So equal. Next 11 by 6. 11 more than 6. So this is what? Improper fractions. And 8 by 1. This also improper fractions. And last question 1 by 8. 1 less than 8. So this is not improper fraction. Okay. Next question. Convert each of the following into improper fractions. Fraction given mixed fraction. This mixed fraction convert into improper. So first number what? 3 whole 3 by 5. So write 3 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. Next is 5 3 is 15 plus 3 by 5. Next 15 plus 3 18 by 5. This is what? Improper fraction. Next question, 2 whole 5 by 7. Same like this, right? 2 into 7 bracket close plus 5 divided by 7 equal to what, right? 7 to the 14 plus 5 by 7. Next 14 plus 5 19. 14 plus 5 19 by 7 is improper fraction. Next question C. 6 whole 2 by 3. 6 into 3 bracket close plus 2 divided by 3. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 divided by 3. 18 plus 2 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is improper fraction. Next, B number 7 whole 1 by 7. Like this, right? 7 into 1 bracket close plus 1. 7 into 7. 7 into 7 plus 1 divided by 7. 7 7 there 49 plus 1 divided by 7. 50 by 7 is improper fraction. Clear? Next question number 8. Convert each of the following into mixed fraction. This fraction is improper fraction. Mixed fraction convert into mixed fraction. You can divide 4 divided by 11. 4 to the 8. 3 remainder. This is Q. This is R. And this is divisor. So here write 2 whole 3 by 4. This is what? Mixed fraction. Same here do 8 divided by 17. 8 to the 16. 1 is remainder. This is Q. Here write Q whole R by D. Q 2 and R is 1. D is 8. What is this? Mixed fraction. Same 6 divided by 23. 6 3 is 18. 13 minus 8. 5. 5 is remainder. This is Q. So Q whole R by D. 3 whole 5 by 6 is mixed fraction. And D number 5 divided by 19. 5 3 is 15. 4 remainder. Q 3 whole 4 by 5. What is mixed fraction? Next question number 9. Write the 4 fraction equivalent to each of the following. So fraction given first number 2 by 3. You not able to? Yes. So write 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. 10. 2 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. Like this. Draw line. Next 3 double line. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12 and 3 5 is 15. So these are what? Equivalent of this fraction. What is this? Equivalent of 2 by 3. Same here, right? Like this. 5, 10, 15. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. What is this? These are equivalent of 5 by 6. Next fraction 4 by 7. Like this, right? 4 1 is 4, 7 1 is 7. 4 2 is 8, 7 2 is 14, 4 3 is 12, 7 3 is 21, 4 4 is 16 and 7 4 is 28. What is this? Equivalent of 4 by 7. Next 3 1 is 3, 5 1 is 5. Next 3 2 is 6, 5 2 is 10. Next 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15. Next 3 4 is 12 and 5 4 the 20. What is? These are equivalent of 3 by 5. Okay. Next, I can. So this type question you can do at home and okay. Thank you.